To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the following account to access the list of accounts you are following. Scroll through your following list to locate the profile you wish to customize. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon next to the Following or Friends button. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select Customize Name from the options. Enter the desired nickname or custom name for the account. Then tap Save to apply your changes. The custom name will be successfully applied to the account. This allows you to personalize accounts with custom names for easier identification and a more tailored experience. So that's how you can customize the name for the accounts you follow on TikTok.